Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's get crafty. I will show you how to make Pokemon Snowflakes so fun. First, fold the paper like this several times. It's important to make perfectly even folds. Watch me. I put a small mark where I want to draw the Pokemon, then I unfold the paper to make the drawing. Today, let's make the plucky, endearing aquatic behemoth Magikarp, or Magikarp. Looks good as a snowflake, almost good enough to eat. I use tough, sharp scissors to make these small cuts. Be careful, don't mess it up. The key to making a snowflake is to leave at least one point on each side of the triangle not cut, so the snowflake won't fall apart. Here are the spots I will not cut. Here, 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 and here. Now you are finished. Hooray, you did a great job. I knew you could do it. Bye.